Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we got some Dominos and I got a little drink. So in this we got the bread and spinach inside and mayo sauce. And then I need mushrooms on my pizza all the time. To me, that's just me. But yeah, the whole pizza has mushrooms and I got some garlic sauce. Extra mushrooms too. I love mushrooms. I was trying to get it so that y'all could see the food, you know, in the view while I'm eating, but that's not really possible. Basically, I'm just gonna update you guys with whatever's going on with me. That is so bomb. It's kind of getting cold. This smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, so first off, let's just start off with school. It is the basically starting Monday. Today's Saturday. Starting Monday, there's gonna be finals. And hold on, pause. Why does it taste like I'm eating mayonnaise? It was the sauce that I got, that's why I'm not getting that again. And I'm not stressed at all, and I'm feeling pretty confident. I would say the only thing that I'm really going through right now, with school, is my major. When I was a freshman at my old school, if you guys saw my Q&A video, I mentioned that I went to school in VA as a freshman, and I didn't like it. The university that I'm at now in Connecticut, so I can be closer to home, and this is the only school in Connecticut that I applied to. A senior in high school and then a freshman in college, and I got them both times. And so now that I'm here, my freshman year I was a psych major, and now I'm a social work major. They're pretty close, I guess. I've been seeing a career advisor because I'm really trying to I'm really trying to see what major I want to do. I don't want to be a social work major and then not like it and then, you know, be stuck with it. I'm already 2 years and I want to know what I want to do and then stick to it. So this career advisor is definitely helping me with that. We're getting progress. So far I'm sticking with social work. I'm going to be taking a social work course. It's coming this spring semester. I'm good. I'm so hungry. I'm really excited. 2 reasons. One, my best friend. So he's a social work major too. I didn't even know that, but he's a social work major too. And we're taking it together. And also, it comes with a 30 hours. And I guess you get to be with a social work. And you get to see hands-on how the job works. On my game with school, I'm in a computer lab every single day. My computer doesn't work. Hold up. My computer doesn't freaking work. So I have to take it to the store. But so basically, that's why I've been in the computer lab, typing away, making sure I turn in everything, and I just been on my ish. Proud of myself. Also, I'm just really trying to better myself too, because I told myself mentally I'm gonna be doing this 30-day exercise routine. I'm eating pizza. But I'm gonna be doing that, and I mean I am. And I am. But you know, I just want to spoil myself a little bit. I keep dropping stuff. I keep falling. Let me know if y'all like mushrooms. I'm gonna put a little poll in the. I'm gonna put a little poll and see if I like mushrooms or not. But yeah, I'm just trying to like better myself with the way I look, how I act, better me like as a person. This tastes like mayonnaise. Like if you ever order on Dominos, they give you the option on like what kind of sauce I want to put on your pizza. I usually put the Alfredo sauce, but I saw something that said like Parmesan or something like that. Don't get that one. This is why I got the Parmesan sauce or whatever. This is my first time having it and it's not good. It tastes like they spread mayonnaise as the sauce and that's what I'm eating. So, as some of you know, and if you don't know, then I'm gonna put you on game. I'm in a relationship and we have been dating for a year and 3 months, but who's counting? Honestly, like, I've been seeing a lot of like posts about like relationships and people want to get into relationships and like just cute stuff, and it kind of gets me jealous a little bit, only because like my boyfriend and we're in a long distance relationship. I live in Connecticut and he lives in New York. I mean, it's not that long, it's only a 2-hour drive. We still don't get to see each other all that often because he has work, I have school, and then I have work on the weekends. It's a lot. Like, I saw this post on Twitter and it was like, if I can find it, I'll put it in. But it was basically like, I'm dumb, I just opened it from the wrong side. Whatever. What is the worst way that you like ever got cheated on or something like that? And I thought of like only one person who's cheated on me. And then I thought to myself, I got cheated on before that. And I was like comparing like which one was worse. But then like, I was just like, it was the past. And like I forgave them. It's like I don't really care anymore. They're both out of my life. My boyfriend right now loves me, wouldn't do that to me, and so I know that we're good. Speaking of relationships, we're gonna like switch over to like friendships. So what happened was, there was a friend of mine who we were super close, super close, and like sometime during the school, like we just stopped talking. She was always a friend that like I literally loved her, and it was crazy because I was just like, wow, we're not talking anymore. I'm definitely not gonna be able to finish all this. I was pretty what's the word? What is the word? I let my pride get the best of me. So like I said, I always wanted to text her and like ask what's up or whatever, just like, you know, like fix things and put it whatever, like just talk about it. Like I said, my pride got in my way. That's what happened to me. I need to really learn like to stop being like a baby and just like do shit. Like I said, I was going through like a really bad part of my life like recently in October. I felt the courage to text her. What happened was, I was so sad, but I was trying to get better. I really wanted like something good to like come out of like how I was feeling, like, and she came in my mind and I was like I need to talk to her. I just typed a freaking big old paragraph apologizing for whatever happened. I promise you, I don't know how we stopped talking. Like, we just like both mutually stopped talking. So I told her I apologize for whatever happened. I didn't ever want to lose her as a friend. Just wanted to like let that off my chest. I called my best friend and I was like realized, like I was can't talk. You know how I can't fucking speak. I texted my best friend. My god, no I didn't. I called my best friend. Exactly. I FaceTimed my best friend and I was like, should I should I text so and so, because I was like, you know how like I've been talking about her and I wanted to like, you know, build our relationship again. Like, should I talk to her? Should I send her this message? He was like, yeah, go for it. Like, the worst you can do is like say no or like not respond. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, just do it. Like, I texted her number and it was green. She has an iPhone, by the way. So I texted her number. It was green. It didn't even deliver. And I was like, either she got a new number or she blocked me. Luckily, it was she got a new number. So I knew that I saw that we still follow each other on Instagram. So I DM'd her. I just basically copy and pasted and I DM'd her. Well, I DM'd her at like 9 o'clock. I kept waiting and she never responded, so I'm like, she's just not gonna respond. But like, I remember like an hour went by, I checked and she didn't even see it, so I was like, maybe okay, whatever. Woke up the next day, saw she had responded at 2 a.m. And I was like, I was so scared. I was like, oh my god, like, what if it's bad? She basically said she felt the same way. She wanted to talk to me too, and like she wanted to apologize, like things were going on in her life. And I was just like, alright, yes, we about to be friends. And she was like, update me with whatever's been happening in the past year. Like, we were basically just like updating each other, and it was so nice. Finally, I think like a week later, I ended up going home, and she came in my house. It was for Halloween. She came in my house, and my mom saw her for the first time, and they hugged for so long. Like, my mom missed her like equally as much as I did. Like, my mom loved this girl. So, oh my god. But this is how I eat. I'm sorry, but I never talk while I eat, so it's like nasty. Yeah. But we're close now. I haven't seen her since Halloween because I'm here at school. She texted me or whatever, and she told me that I need to hurry and take my booty home so that she can see me. And we live right around the corner from each other, so like, it's lit. We're gonna see each other a lot for Christmas break. I'm really excited. Listen, a lot of people don't want to, you know, hit a person up. They feel like it's a lost friend, like it don't matter. And you know me, I probably would have thought the same thing. She was different because this girl has helped me through so much in my life. And like, yo, what is that? She's helped me through so much in my life. And like, she was really a person that I never ever would have saw. Like she's so different. She's so different, and like, she was such a good person. Still is. Like, she has not changed at all. So, somebody worth getting back, please just do it, because, or at least try. Because if the feeling is mutual from the other person, then nothing bad can happen. Just go for it. That's the end of this video. I'm not eating no more. I got like hella food left. I can't do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. In my next video, if you guys like videos like this, like, let me know and I'll do it again. I want to do like a mukbang like with somebody else though. Like, that would be mad lit. My social medias will be down. My social medias will be down in the description box. That's what so yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye guys.